Hi, this is Tiffany, and today we're making floral waters. We're doing a shortcut, so we're not steaming or distilling from fresh or dried rose petals. We are using essential oils, isopropyl alcohol of at least 90%, and filtered water. Now I'm using recycled bottles. I also love, for all of my DIY products, to use recycled. I use chicken stock jars, always glass, because essential oils will eat plastic. So a metal top and glass jars for my body butter. I've got little jars, any little cute jar that I find, I'll just wash it up and sanitize it and boil it, which is basically boiling it, from little food delivery box. Here's a floral water lemonade, elderflower and rose lemonade that someone gave me. That Lainey gave me actually to use. So my recycled bottles. Now here, has a plastic top I'm making for a rose water toner in one bottle and a lavender like bed spritzer in another. Usually you don't want to use plastic unless you're using essential oils in a largely water capacity. So a spray bottle for, say, bug repellent, or in this case it's going to be mostly water. Now a quick way to do it, I've put 3/4 of a teaspoon of alcohol in here. So 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1 drop of essential oil. Let's start with my geranium. For 1 drop, so 3/4, so 3 drops of geranium. And let that dissolve. What'd you hurt, honey? Well, here, let me put some lavender on it. Diluted lavender. There. Okay, so now this is mixing in the alcohol, because oil and water, you've heard it, don't mix. And literally the oil will just sit in the water in drop form. And you'll either not get it and it'll smell like it because it'll somewhat infuse the water, or then you'll get huge big drops. If it's in a sprayer bottle, it'll always sit on top and it won't make it ever down to the bottom where the spray is. So you definitely want to use a carrier to get it to mix in the water. So when it's mixed, of course, isopropyl alcohol is safe for the skin. It's what they use in the hospital to sterilize your skin for shots. And it evaporates off when you spray it when it makes perfume. Okay, let's see if I can do it out of this. Now I'm just going to fill the rest up. Voila! Put a top on it and it's ready to go. And so now I don't smell the alcohol, I just smell the rose water. I'll put a label on this, and voila, use it on my skin. Let me do it an example. So a couple of drops in a cotton ball, or you could put it in a spritz bottle. Rose water, all the floral waters are wonderful for the skin. It does leave the scent of, I smell it here, beautiful, not too overpowering. This rose water is done. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the lavender and make a lavender to drop on the pillowcase or in the sheets at night for relaxing nighttime balancer.
I can get that too.
You're going to get it too? Opal's going to help me make a lavender. We hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching The Medicine Show. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.